What? You control the game through the microwave? No! Yo, W Concept, this is crazy. He's a pro? What you mean? I am kind of doing good though, be honest. Chat? I like the microwave noises. It's a good sound. Keep walking. Dude, it's a microwave, man. Okay, this was a nice little stroll in the woods. I just saw 2 red eyes over here. I know y'all saw that too. Let's keep on walking. I hear something. Did y'all just hear that? I heard something. Am I tweaking? Am I tweaking? There's blood on the ground. Oh no, not the creepy hallway. Actually, no, it's ketchup because this is a food-related game. It's ketchup, bro. Does the button do anything? Yeah, it pauses the game. Look. I'm trying to get lined up in the middle of the hallway so we can get it in like one shot. Watch this. Clean. Stop. Hey, something's telling me that's not ketchup anymore, chat. Not gonna lie. Well, we're about to fall down.
A few moments later.
Is that a body? That's not what I wanted to do. Oh no, this is not what I wanted. Stop walking! Surely nothing creepy's up here, right? Right, chat? Nothing creepy up here, yeah? Run! You cannot chase me in a game like this! You cannot! It's on my buns! No, you went the wrong... You gotta understand how difficult this is when you're controlling it through a microwave.